the foundation of strength. Why strong bones matter as we age. Our bones are more than just the scaffolding that holds us upright. They are living tissues, constantly renewing themselves throughout our lives. Strong bones are essential for mobility, independence, and overall well-being. As we age, maintaining bone health becomes increasingly important. Brittle bones can lead to fractures, pain, and a decline in quality of life. However, the good news is that there are many things we can do to protect our bones and keep them strong as we get older. The aging skeleton understanding natural bone loss. As we age, our bones naturally lose some of their density. This means that the bones become thinner and weaker. Bone is a living tissue that is constantly being broken down and rebuilt. During childhood and adolescence, our bodies build bone faster than it breaks down, leading to increased bone mass. However, around the age of 30, this process begins to reverse. We start to lose bone mass faster than we gain it. This natural bone loss is a normal part of aging. However, certain factors can accelerate this process, putting individuals at a higher risk of osteoporosis, a condition characterized by weak and brittle bones. Hormones and bones, a complex relationship. Hormones play a crucial role in bone health. Estrogen, a hormone that is present in both men and women, though at much higher levels in women, helps to protect bones. During menopause, women experience a significant drop in estrogen levels. This decline contributes to rapid bone loss, making women more susceptible to osteoporosis. In men, testosterone plays a role in bone health. As men age, testosterone levels gradually decline, which can also contribute to bone loss. Additionally, the decline of growth hormone, which occurs in both sexes with age, further contributes to decreased bone density. The nutritional building blocks of strong bones are essential for maintaining a healthy and active lifestyle. Just like a house needs strong materials to withstand the test of time, our bones rely on essential nutrients to stay healthy and robust throughout our lives. Calcium is a mineral that is a crucial building block of bone tissue. It is the most abundant mineral in the body and is vital for maintaining the structural integrity of our bones. It provides strength and structure to our skeletal system, ensuring that our bones remain strong and less susceptible to fractures and other injuries. Vitamin D plays a vital role in calcium absorption. Without it, our bodies would struggle to absorb the calcium we consume, no matter how much we take in. Without enough vitamin D, our bodies can't effectively utilize the calcium we consume, leading to weaker bones and an increased risk of bone-related diseases. Incorporating calcium and vitamin D-rich foods into our diet is crucial for bone health. This combination ensures that our bones receive the necessary nutrients to stay strong and healthy. Dairy products, leafy green vegetables, and fortified foods are excellent sources of calcium. These foods should be a regular part of our diet to maintain optimal bone health. Sunlight is a natural source of vitamin D, which is why spending time outdoors can help boost our vitamin D levels. Additionally, fatty fish, eggs, and fortified foods can also contribute to our vitamin D intake, ensuring that our bodies can effectively absorb and utilize the calcium we consume. The power of movement exercise and bone health. Just like muscles, bones become stronger with regular exercise. Physical activity, especially weight-bearing and balance exercises, is essential for maintaining bone density and strength. Weight-bearing exercises force our bodies to work against gravity, putting stress on our bones and stimulating them to become denser. Examples include walking, jogging, dancing, and climbing stairs. Balance exercises, on the other hand, help improve stability and reduce the risk of falls, which are a major cause of fractures, especially in older adults. Tai Chi, yoga, and simply standing on one leg are great ways to challenge your balance. Weight-bearing warriors. Exercises for stronger bones. Engaging in weight-bearing exercises doesn't require strenuous gym workouts. Simple, everyday activities can make a big difference. Brisk walking, for example, is a fantastic weight-bearing exercise that is accessible to most people. Aim for at least 30 minutes of brisk walking most days of the week. Dancing is another enjoyable way to incorporate weight-bearing exercise into your routine. The combination of steps, jumps, and turns challenges your bones and improves balance. For those who enjoy the outdoors, gardening is a great way to stay active while also reaping the benefits of being in nature. Beyond calcium and vitamin D, other essential nutrients. While calcium and vitamin D often take the spotlight when it comes to bone health, other nutrients play supporting roles. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining the overall integrity and strength of our bones. Protein is essential for maintaining bone mass and strength. It provides the necessary building blocks for bone tissue and helps repair any damage that may occur. Good sources of protein include lean meats, poultry, fish, beans, lentils, and tofu. Incorporating these into your diet can ensure you get the right amount of protein for optimal bone health. Magnesium is another mineral that is important for bone health. It plays a vital role in bone formation and influences the activities of osteoblasts and osteoclasts, the cells responsible for building and resorbing bone. It helps the body absorb and utilize calcium effectively. Without adequate magnesium, calcium may not be properly absorbed, leading to weaker bones. Magnesium-rich foods include leafy green vegetables, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Adding these to your meals can help ensure you get enough magnesium to support your bone health. Potassium is often associated with heart health, but it also plays a role in bone health by neutralizing acids that can leach calcium from bones. This helps to maintain the calcium balance in the body. Fruits, vegetables, dairy products, and beans are good sources of potassium. Including a variety of these foods in your diet can help maintain strong and healthy bones. A balanced diet rich in a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains provides a wide array of nutrients that work together to support bone health. Each nutrient plays a unique role, and together they create a synergistic effect that promotes overall bone strength and resilience. By paying attention to these often overlooked nutrients, you can take a more comprehensive approach to maintaining your bone health. Lifestyle choices for a sturdy frame. Certain lifestyle choices can have a detrimental effect on bone health. Smoking, for example, has been linked to decreased bone density and an increased risk of fractures. Nicotine and other toxins in cigarette smoke interfere with bone cell function and reduce calcium absorption. Excessive alcohol consumption can also weaken bones. Alcohol interferes with the body's ability to absorb calcium and produce vitamin D. It also increases the risk of falls, which can lead to fractures. Chronic health conditions, such as celiac disease, inflammatory bowel disease, and kidney disease, can affect the body's ability to absorb nutrients, potentially leading to bone loss. When to see your doctor monitoring bone health. Regular medical checkups are essential for maintaining overall health, including bone health. Your doctor can assess your risk factors for osteoporosis and recommend appropriate screenings. Bone density tests, also known as DEXA scans, are a common way to measure bone density and diagnose osteoporosis. These tests are painless and non-invasive. Your doctor may recommend a bone density test if you have risk factors for osteoporosis, such as a family history of the condition, low body weight, or a history of fractures. Early detection of bone loss is crucial for effective treatment and management. Supplements. Bridging the nutritional gap. While a healthy diet is the best way to obtain essential nutrients, supplements can help bridge nutritional gaps, especially if you have dietary restrictions or medical conditions that affect nutrient absorption. Calcium and vitamin D supplements are widely available. Your doctor can recommend appropriate dosages based on your individual needs. It's important to note that supplements should not be considered a substitute for a healthy diet and lifestyle. Always consult with your doctor before starting any new supplements, as they can interact with certain medications. Building a future of strength, a proactive approach to bone health. Our bones are the foundation of our bodies, providing structure, protecting organs, and enabling movement. Maintaining strong bones is a lifelong endeavor. It starts with the choices we make every day, from the foods we eat to the activities we engage in. By taking proactive steps, we can protect our skeletal health and enjoy an active and independent life as we age. Engaging in regular physical activities, such as dancing or gardening, keeps our bones strong and our spirits high. A balanced diet rich in calcium, vitamin D, and other essential nutrients provides the building blocks for strong bones. Incorporating foods like dairy products, leafy greens, and fortified cereals can make a significant difference. Regular weight-bearing and balance exercises stimulate bone growth and improve strength. Activities like yoga, weightlifting, and even brisk walking are excellent for maintaining bone density. Making healthy lifestyle choices, such as avoiding smoking and limiting alcohol consumption, further protects our bones. These habits not only benefit our skeletal system, but also enhance overall health and well-being. Regular medical checkups and bone density tests allow for early detection and management of any potential issues. These screenings are crucial for identifying risks and taking timely action to prevent bone-related problems. Remember, strong bones are essential for a healthy and fulfilling life. By prioritizing bone health, we ensure that we can continue to enjoy our favorite activities and maintain our independence for years to come.